What is going on, guys? My name is Lextasy and welcome back to the channel. And today we finally got the drag strip open. That means the whole crew's out and about and we are gonna destroy it. I got both the beauties out here ready to launch it, man. Hopefully nothing breaks, but with my luck you never know. And then of course we got the massive monsters out here. We got the 900 horsepower Hellcat out there, and we got the 1400 horsepower GTR on the way as well. It is about to be lit out here and I can't wait. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but let's get the show started. Alright guys, so without doing too much talking, because I just want to get into the action, I'm going to go ahead and get my cars running already on the track before I get super slammed in here. And you're going to have high horsepower cars that's taking and destroying the field. So I'm super pumped. I'm going to start with the GTR. I have no idea what it's going to run. I don't do drag strips much. Towards the end of the night, we are going to have the 900 horsepower Hellcat running against the 1400 horsepower GTR. That's going to be sick. I can't wait. We kind of got this little grudge race going, so it should be super fun. I love the smells, I love the sounds. This is heaven. This is what I love. All right, so we hit a 709 at 100 miles an hour, which is not bad, but I really feel like we can get in the sixes. I just got to be better reaction time and maybe go up a little bit on the launch control, because I did it at 3400. I know I should do like probably closer to 4. I shouldn't be snapping anything on 4000, but we're about to find out. So race number 2, or round number 2, let's see what happens there.
It was better.
7.09 and 7.02. Like, I mean, right at 100 miles an hour. It's so consistent though. I don't know what else to do. Yeah, 3,500 RPM was a good launch. Oh, look at this guy. Dude, no joke. I had like, I'm shaking right now. Those are the best launch.
What do we get?
7.02, 7.09.
That's not bad.
I'm so close though. I'm at 3,500 RPM, so I got that set. It's doing better. I don't know if I should go any higher because the clutch might overheat. So I'm kind of maxed out. I mean, this guy's the master at this, so that's why.
I am. I'm a humble leader. A humble, homeless looking leader. But yeah, so yeah, really, if you just let your car cool down, really it looks like you're doing everything else right.
Okay.
Are you leaving it in auto or are you shifting it?
No, well, it's manual, but then it upshifts for my
Okay.
for that red
Like
line.
an auto.
No, it's a manual. It's definitely a manual. It's got a clutch. So
basically, so are you shifting it or is?
No, it's shifting after.
Okay, so in auto.
Yeah, so right at red line, it shifts.
Because if you're running, you're a 702. If it drops 5 degrees, you're in the 60s.
Really? I guess we should run the R7 then while we wait. I'm gonna give that a try.
Now wait, what if the RS7 runs faster?
Stop! I literally was. That's not good. Pack up and go home.
All right.
Where's the purple GTR?
That's a great question.
I'm waiting.
I can't believe I'm in the GTR page right now. What am I doing?
Yes, you are.
He's
converting.
GTRs,
He's converting.
Super cool. They're
Gotta
awesome.
put more emotion in it, but.
I love GTRs.
All right, you got to tell me about this, because I had a Charger, but how are you in the 900s wheel?
So literally, it's just upper full.
And then there's this guy spraying. All right, show off.
So this is just literally upper lower. It's on race gas. It's got a fuel system. But really, it doesn't take a whole lot for these cars to hit that 900 range, you know?
They're bulletproof though. Has anything failed on this car?
I've actually ran this car like 47,000 times.
Sounds about right.
And the only thing I've broken is the drive shaft on it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Don't tell me the numbers of how much it can run, but how far away am I from you? Like, how much do I have to put like 30 grand in to buy a new car?
If I told you, that would still give you the answer. No, so you're...
Am I $20,000 away from being fast?
I don't know GTR math, but it sounds like a lot. I would say maybe bigger turbos, maybe put it on E.
So I forgot to mention, I have $100 on this race between you and the GTR.
And I think what I'm gonna do is after I outrun him, I'm not gonna have you give me $100. I'll have you take me to a $100 dinner.
Ooh.
And that would be fun for
both
we
of us. Fancy.
We're here today, probably about to blow up 2 really cool cars.
Yep.
For the sake of
video content.
Yes, clout.
That's right.
So make sure you like and subscribe. And
Oh,
tell your grandma. Maybe not your grandma. She might not
she
like
won't
this.
care. She'll dislike
tell
this.
your little brother maybe.
What was that?
Like and subscribe.
All right, so I didn't get a time slip for the Audi. I guess because they didn't know I wasn't lined up with the guy next to me. So, because technically I red lighted, but it was a good run. But the 21-inch wheels, man, it just spun horribly. Like there was just no stopping it. RPMs, I think I did the launch control like 4,000, so maybe I was a little too high. All right, so just in case the GTR doesn't show up, I guess I got to step in his shoes now. So it's my fault because I asked the dude to show up.
And he didn't.
Well, not yet. It's 7 o'clock. We got like
Welcome
3
back to the
hours.
Michael Show.
We got 3 hours, so he might show up.
So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take the red car that makes, and I'm gonna give him the.
Where's he at? Oh,
better go
Saved
find
by the
him.
bell. Okay,
Better go
I don't
find
have to
him.
do this. Hey, we should still race though. What was the game plan though? I might do it.
I give him the hit, basically. So whenever lights go green, I leave when you leave.
I go in drive, you go in reverse, and then we take off. All right, perfect.
Sounds
Bet.
good.
I'll put 100 on that. That's Michael, by the way.
I was gonna
Hey,
talk
what's
crap
up?
to you. So this looks cool. I like it.
The coolant pressure light came on, so
okay.
I think it's too low, which would be a good. If it's too high, yeah.
Do this.
When do you want to do it? You ready?
Race? I'm about to go line up now.
Are you ready?
Oh snap! Let's go. Here we go. Here we go, boys. Got $100 on this race. Dang, that GTR spun so bad. It wasn't even, he went straight to lip mode. I could tell as soon as he lost off. Oh, you got the hazard lights on. Oh, you son of a bitch. No way. Yeah, I owe him $100 now.
What did it? No, the car never even took off. It took off and it said, nope.
Thought so.
It said 20 miles an hour, capped it. Soon as I can clear this code, we'll line back up though.
That was a good run, Joey.
Yeah.
You got that tree though.
You treated me, which is what the whole comment section's gonna say.
What is that?
I made this out of one of the GTR's wheels.
Wow.
He sold it to me for pennies on the dollar.
You didn't even get a straight race yet.
That
man.
was straight as hell. I
I don't
didn't
think
take
so.
any turns in
Now,
that.
I don't know if you've seen the video, but he got the jump on you though.
He did get the jump, but I got the finish, so.
Let's see.
So while he's doing the test it, we're gonna run both of these. He's full bolt on, I'm full bolt on, but I'm a 17, he's a 13, so we're about to see how close this is gonna be. Thank you, brother. We are at, oh snap, no we did not. Oh, wait. Oh my God, 7.0058. Not even a 7.02 like last time. I mean, how much closer do I have to get sixes? 7.00 at 100 miles an hour. He did, well, I don't even know, his is way off because he had issues, but I want to keep running this car until I get in the sixes or in the 8th mile, which is insane. If I could just hook a little better. So I don't know if I want to, I'll stick at 3,500, but I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit out here. And then I want to rerun him, and I want to see that purple one, of course, run the Hellcat. So this is insane. I love it. This is what it's all about. Build it, break it at some point, and then fix it and repeat. So let's do this again. What happened?
No fucking clue. I dropped the air pressure and that bitch died off the line.
Lip mode or what? Jesus Christ, how many cars are gonna go to? He went in lip mode, you went in lip mode. I'm so close to lip mode, dude, I swear. These cars are so sensitive, man, but when they go, they
This
go.
is my first time with the platform. I'm coming from
Oh, wow.
Evo's and everything else.
Oh,
so-
wow. Dude, that's sick though. We gotta rerun for sure. If
Oh, yeah.
the weather
Oh,
holds
yeah.
up,
I'm good with
that
it.
should be a lot closer. I heard you so far away,
That
man.
dude, it was funny when I got to the ticket counter, the guy ran over there, he goes, I thought he was something about a code or something. I was like, he goes, line up with that damn Hellcat. now."
Nice, nice.
That's what he told me. I
Jesus
said, no, I
Christ,
said,
bro.
look, he's fast.
I'm telling you, this is gonna be way closer than anybody thinks, man. That
Yeah,
was.
it's out of limp
perfect.
mode now, but I spun the whole track. So
You seen
if
that?
I can hook, because it's in my 60.
What if you went down a map? So you got a little more gradual
I could go down them out and see, because I hit the brakes right there and relaunched it, and it ran 128 miles an hour.
Whoo, that sucker hooked. I figured out the tree. I think I got like a 0.13 reaction time, which for me, that's the best one so far since I've ever been here. So, wait, what?
Told me I was done.
What?
After that last pass, the guy came on the cart and said, "You're done."
It's a 6.1. I think it would be below 6.
That's gotta be
620.
620.
Oh my God.
That's why I hadn't
no.
ran. Again, I parked it and
That sucks. How is it that you can be too fast for the drag strip? Yes, he doesn't have a roll cage, but I thought it was below 6 seconds on in the 8th mile. He went a 6.13 or something. So I guess that the referee or whatever you want to call him came to him and said, "Yeah, you're done. You're not doing this again." Speaking of the Audi though, talk about killing it. 741 at 97.7. That was the best hook I ever did. And you know what I did different? I didn't ramp up to 4,000. I ramped up just to 2,000, which is where the launch control is at. I literally just let it eat. And when I did that, it hooked and it went. Maybe we'll let her run. If she wants to, put a helmet on her and let her kill it. Why not? You gotta do it. Not on this one, because you actually have to launch it. But this one, I want you to get addicted. You'll never not want to do it again.
All
so
right.
I'll put this down.
If you get 75 likes
Yeah, but we're
on
here.
this video, I know, on this video.
Oh, in the next video.
Next time we come.
You heard it, guys. 75 likes, which should not be hard for our crew. My face is so red. Oh my God. 75 likes, guys, and she's gonna run it. Maybe she'll run both cars. I will literally strictly let her run. I will show her how to do the ropes, everything. Well, boys, I guess we're done for tonight. It's raining. It's 9 o'clock, and it's only open for an hour. So by the time they drive off the track, it's game over. But we had a lot of fun. It sucks the GTR got kicked off because they definitely were about to rerun. I was gonna rerun the white GTR, but we're gonna save that. If he goes to Fayetteville, we're absolutely gonna line up. Fayetteville is about to be fun, guys. That's the next video. Make sure to drop a like. Make sure to drop a subscription, guys. Thank you so much for all the support. I have amazing friends here and on YouTube, of course, and I will see you guys next video. It's about to get rowdy on the next one as well. But remember, 75 likes. She's driving that on the drag strip. Maybe even both cars. So we'll see. If you get to 150 likes, which I highly doubt, I'll let her drive the GTR too. She'll probably be the first chick that I've ever seen on the track. So thank you guys so much for all the support. Enjoy your lives, enjoy your friends, enjoy your cars, and I will see you next time.